at the Peregrine Fund World Center for Birds of Prey.
And are there religious birds here?
Are there birds?
Religious birds?
Only praying birds.
Just praying birds. Okay. So they're not that religious. No, what does a bird of prey really mean?
A religious bird.
Yes.
You're handsome. Lots of hawks when we drive between birds and they look at this eagle. There's a bald
There's an eagle. Get ready to fly. Get ready to fly. Get ready for it to fly.
Did you know this is our national bird?
Guess what, Grandma? This bird said no to me.
It said no. It used its wings and it flew.
Can I see it?
See what?
This is a bald eagle.
These are all the birds that are raptors.
Wow, condors.
You want to see what they could do?
Condors bite. They stay back.
They're cool. Look at them.
Oh, Hallie, you're almost there.
Hey.
Let me. What?
Wow!
My turn again.
Really close.
Hallie, be on the middle. Hallie. Hallie. Chickaboo.
I see why dinosaurs are related to birds.
Yeah,
Yes,
no kidding.
Look at their beak. It's literally a dinosaur beak.
Hey, yes.
That is a really big pine cone.
Oh, it's even heavy.
Is it?
It's pokey. Ow! Oh, it hurt me.
Just a little head and big wings. Oh, follow the arrows.
Oh, Camden went in it.
Yeah. Now you go in over here.
Camden, wait. No.
Camden! You did it!
I did it. Hi, flies.
Hey!
Can't pass here. Hey. Quit.
Hey!
Hello. I'm a bald eagle.
Camden.
Wait, look. I'm a bald eagle.
Volume.
Mama, look. Kirsten, look. I'm a bird. I'm a bald eagle.
Hey, bald eagle.
Big.
Hey, bald eagle. As big as your face. Let me see it next to your face.
This thing.
It's pretty big.
That thing.
Oh.
Because they pick up all sorts of critters. And right when you get at the bottom of the hill, that first farm that you see that has the goats and the cool big cow, there's a big, right by their driveway is a big old willow tree. And we have a pair of swingsons that nest. So if you come up here, live here, you can, right now you can see the nest.
yummy.
He's just looking at us like,
You woke me from my nap.
how dare you? I'm nocturnal, you fools.
You woke
Oh, I just want to go like give him a hug. It's real cuddly.
He's like, what?
Oh! Are you okay? Oh, buddy.
You just bunked your mouth.
Oh, ouch.
I dropped my tooth.
You and Kirsten.
I did that to the camera. Ouch.
There's a piece of Camden that will always remain here.
And look, he's like, idiot. Oh, I'm sorry that happened. It is. It's really cool. Grandma said he picked up that stick and took.
Oh my, it's gonna fly. It's gonna fly. It's gonna fly.
Mom said he picked up that stick and took it up there.
Really, you watched it between that? Yeah, that stick. Yeah, the stick. He had run down here, was on this bar here, and then took it back up there.
Poisons killed the lion. But then the lion killed it. Yes. All the creatures were gone. Okay, see ya. Not the clap.
Definitely. That looks like you.
That's so evil. This is my
Yep. See the hair in the back? Oh, yeah. Now let's check it out. Let's,
I'm
yeah.
not the turkey vulture.
That's true. Uh-oh, careful. Don't touch the case. It's all shaking now. Oof. What if this all came crashing? That is definitely yours, Sally. See that?
Wait, I thought you. Oh, that?
Yeah.
Like
Let's see it. Yeah. Make your body look like that.
Okay. I
Oh, Quinn. Look who this is. Oh, shit.
You see where my other hand is? Close it up. Why do you think my hand's back here?
But you didn't hurt.
Kirsten,
this is
and
the
look what's on my other hand.
I'm listening.
A big, thick glove.
Why?
She wouldn't try to hurt me, but she doesn't understand why your fingers are up by your face. Do you like people having their hands up by your face? No, I don't. So yeah, feathers are really sensitive. You don't know how dogs and cats love to be pet.
I have a dog
Yeah.
and a cat, but I used to have a frog. I used to have a cat, but then it died right when we moved here. Its name was Pip.
Feathers are kind of
Yeah,
sensitive and they don't feel so good like fur. So it doesn't feel very good to have their feathers. Except by the, you've seen birds take their beak and get their feathers all nice.
I have a farmer. I have my uncle is a farmer, and once I saw it was there.
You saw one in the field?
Do you guys mind just kind of coming?
Okay, show me your talons. Show me your wings. It's probably going to be that same falcon that comes out in my pocket, is what I guess. They're not here. Okay, you got it all? Fly away, Evan. Fly away.
Oh, there's cats up there.
Wait. Oh, I hope I was recording. I can't believe you hit me with your first snowball. Tell us about this. Tell us about it. Ah!
I'm gonna get a giant one.
Let me. Ah! Hey! No, I'm not ready. This is a good one, huh? Should we get Evan's dance show?
Now we started more.
Good job. Good backup dancing, Hallie. Are you gonna dance too, Quinn?
She's got to work that salad off.
I'm just trying to do the rock star moves I was trying for my class.
You have a lot of energy, Evan.
We gave her sugar.
Does she have caffeine?
What is this? Are you moaning me? Huh?
Good one.
Wondering if you could watch it like at night or something.
You like my drums? What?
But, whoa!
Started, huh?
Wait, his arms hurt.
Planking!
Who has on her arm?
Nemo.
Deer! Just pretend I have 4 arms.
Lion King, dinosaur.
Simba.
He ate one leg!
Hallie. A little quieter in the small space.
Leg eater.
He's also a slurper.
Eater! I can't
Okay. A snake.
Tuna.